गोंयकारांची सुशेगाद म्हूण वळख आसली तरी गोंयकार हे खरेपणी कश्टकरी आसात. पर्यटना खातीर गोंय हे संवसारांतले सगळ्यांत बरें पर्यटन थळ आसा. देखून तुमी गोंयांत येवचें आनी वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रांत गुंतवणूक करची आनी गोंया सयत देशाच्या अर्थकारणाची उदरगत करची अशें आवाहन उद्देग मंत्री मॉविन गुदिनोन गुंतवणूकदारांक केलां. दिल्लींत जाल्ले इन्व्हेस्ट गोवा रोड शो हे कार्यावळींत मॉविन गुदिनोन उलोवप केलें.
Be amidst the most friendliest of people and be in a place which is the most preferred destination in the country and perhaps the world as far as tourism is concerned. I would say, what better thing than do business with pleasure? So here I am inviting you, and in this direction, at the start itself I want to say, pandemic taught us many things. Then many new normals have been there. One of the normals is work from home, from your own comfortable position, from your own confines, either your home or home office. Or in Goa, we are developing a new concept. We have selected 4 beaches. When you think of Goa, you think of beaches. So we have thought of 4 beaches: Ashwe, Mandve, Benaulim and Miramar. We would be developing it where you can come and work. If Kerala is God's own country, then Goa is where the gods dwell. And that's why we are blessed by nature. We are blessed with all the good things. But while being blessed with all the good things, another impression made about Goa is that we are Sushegad. Sushegad means laid back, only like to enjoy. Yes, we like to enjoy our evening. We like to enjoy a drink. But we are very hard workers. And that is what exactly I am here to tell you. While working hard, slog it out the whole day. In the evening, it's a happening place. With the best of nightlife, a decent, clean nightlife, you can enjoy, because tourism is something where everybody runs to that particular place where such activity takes place. Goa is one such place. You have everything under one roof. At the same time, I say, help build our economy, help build economic activity which will help not only the Goa state